Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset any iPhone. Now, whether you wanted to go through the process of factory resetting it, or if it's buggy and glitchy, you can do a hard reset on it. First, let's do the hard reset. It's fairly easy. You're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see an Apple logo. So let me do that real quick. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold. You can see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to continue holding until I see that Apple logo appear. So the entire screen will go black, just like that, but I'm continuing to hold. And then eventually the Apple logo will appear and I'm going to take my finger off. This essentially goes through the process of force restarting it and resetting a lot of bugs and glitches on that app if there are any bugs and glitches. Now, after it loads up again, I'll walk you through the process of doing a factory reset if you also wanted to just wipe all of the data and completely clean out the iPhone as if you just got it from Apple. So once it goes through the process of reinstalling, hey, Will, this is taking longer than I thought. So just cut out the section after it started with the Apple logo. Essentially, just cut back to this as the second option. Thanks, Will. Now, the second option is to head into your settings if you wanted to do a factory reset instead of a hard reset. Within the settings, you're going to tap on your name at the very top. Oh, let me hit cancel. Tap on your name at the very top. And now from here, we're going to scroll down and tap on iCloud and then iCloud Backup. Now from here, I would highly recommend switching the Backup Now on and turning on Backup This iPhone. After you've backed up your iPhone, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings and let's factory reset this by scrolling down and tapping on General. And then again, scrolling down to the bottom until we get to transfer or reset that iPhone. Just tap on that and hit erase all content and settings. Essentially, it says it will erase everything, including all your apps and data. It will sign you out of your Apple account, disable Find My, remove all the credit cards from your wallet, and also disable your eSIM for your phone number. So just hit continue and hit delete eSIM and erase data. And it will pop up with the passcode for your iPhone. Just enter in the passcode you use to unlock it and go through the process of factory resetting it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.